Hey guys, Ed here. In this quick video I'll show you how to remove your mirror in the 2013 Hyundai Veloster. So let's start. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna open the door. I just removed this thing from here just to make sure. To remove the mirror, we just have to remove these 3 screws. 1, 2, 3. Those are actually bolts. So we take our 10mm ratchet and remove 1, 2, 3. Okay, I got these 3 screws out. I'm gonna put them right there. Disconnect this connector here, and now I should be able to remove the mirror. Yep, that's it. As you can see, super duper simple. So once you have your replacement mirror and you replaced it, just put it back in. Same way. Be careful, it might fall, so to make sure it's not gonna fall, we're gonna connect the connector first. Connect it, and now we will reinstall 3 screws. 1, 2, 3. Okay, right here. Let's put this cover here. Same way, it holds on 2 clips. Just align and tap. That's it. I hope this helps. If it does, please press like button and have a great day. Bye.